Today I am showing you how to make this Woodland baby gift card. The card base is a little bit different than what I normally make, so this time you're going to take an 8.5 and 11 sheet of paper and score it at 3 inches, and then you're going to cut that with your paper cutter, and then you're going to go back and score that again at 3 inches and at 6 inches. Then you're going to cut off at the 6-inch score mark and then fold it along your 3-inch score mark. And then that's going to be your card base. Now with that extra piece, what I'm doing is measuring to see how much I need to trim it up so that it will fit centered on the front of the card with an equal matting around it. Okay, now we're going to set that to the side and we're going to stamp our fox. And you can see stamping it in this moody mauve. Make sure that you're just tapping your stamp with the ink and then press it down firmly. You see I'm running my finger over that center because I'm trying to make sure that that ink stamps. And then you're going to take your stamped fox and put the die cut on it and run it through your machine. Again, I like to tape mine in place just so that it doesn't shift while I'm cutting. Alright, now we're going to work on that little piece that we trimmed up from before. And all of these stamps are from the same set. So cute. And you want to make sure that you put this on a scrap piece of paper because it's going to, you want to make sure it kind of goes over the edge. And you don't want to get it on your work surface. And once you have your leaves, you're going to go back in with a couple of these adorable mushrooms. I did 2 of the smaller mushrooms and then 1 of the larger ones. And then you're just going to finish it off with a little butterfly in the top right. Okay, once that is finished, you're going to attach your fox. And I just used a glue runner for this because I didn't want it to pop up off the card any more than just the thickness of the paper. The white makes it pop anyway. Alright, now you're going to mount that to the center front of your card. That fold is on the left, the open is on the right. And then you want to grab just a sheet. This is a very pale pink paper. And you just need a little bit, so this is another one that you could totally use a scrap paper for. And you're going to stamp "Hello Baby" right centered on that. And then you're going to attach that to the front of your card. And you'll notice that this one I am using the foam adhesive squares because I did want it to pop off just a little bit more. It helps add dimension to your card. And finally, we're going to add a few little gems. I like adding just a tiny touch of bling to stuff. And that's it. This is a super simple card. It's the perfect size to attach to your gift. and mom, dad, and baby will all love it. Thanks, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more card tutorials. Thanks.